Hey y'all, it is the night, I was gonna say it's the night before. Well, it is, but it's Tuesday night. I'm getting ready for work for tomorrow. About to pack my gym bag, but first packing my lunch. This week I just prepped some taco meat and I'm doing like taco salads. So I got that out, I got the tomato out, my little, not sour cream, Greek yogurt and guac dip. I threw away the guac package, but I just used one of these, just like plain Greek yogurt. You can use the Faye brand. This is just my store brand. And 2 of the little guac packets, one of these, 2 of these. And it made enough for 3, if not 4 salads this week. Probably just 3 because I only made enough beef for 3. I'm doing 5, a little over 5 ounces. So I just did 1 pound of ground beef. I'm gonna add some lettuce. I have a mix of butter lettuce and romaine. My little salad bowl here is from Amazon. I can link it for you. It comes with a little dressing cup, which is handy, and I only have 1, so I just go ahead and pack it every night. I'm gonna mix my tomato with my pico this time. So tomato, leave some for tomorrow. Ooh, I just spilled that. If this is feeling chaotic, it's because it is. This is just the Trader Joe's mild one. I'm gonna put a good little dollop on the side there. And I'm just gonna do a little ranch. I was kind of wanting that today when I ate it, so just a couple tablespoons of the Bolthouse Farms Ranch, 50 calories. Got my lettuce, beef, and we're good to go. I am getting ready for bed. This has been honestly a really important part of my routine lately, and I just kind of wanted to chat a little bit about a few key things I'm doing that I think really are making a big difference in my progress. I'm officially down 10 pounds, a little over 10 pounds, since March 4th. Around March 4th is when I really started tracking my weight and getting on the scale often. In March, I was really focusing on portion control because I feel like that had really gotten out of hand. Once I sort of mastered that, I went back to tracking protein, upping protein again. That's really what I focused on in April. And then in May, I really honed in on my workouts. I have been working out consistently 3 days a week at least since January, so that's obviously made a huge difference. But in May, I started focusing a little bit on what workouts I'm doing, making sure I'm hitting, all different parts of my body on different days, and also getting in more steps. Especially the last couple of weeks, I've really focused on walking intentionally, really aiming for like at least an hour of intentional walking a day, and it's made a massive, massive difference, which has been awesome. So we officially reached 10 pounds down. So aside from, obviously, I'm eating in a calorie deficit, trying to eat 130 grams of protein a day, trying to get in more steps, more water. Y'all saw I'm using that half-gallon jug, which has really been helping lately. Just trying to use that up by the end of the day. And I get pretty close, if not all the way finished, by the time I'm like getting into bed, and it's getting easier as I go. Another main thing that's been super important is just having a good night routine, getting ready for bed around the same time every night, going to sleep around the same time. And one thing that I've been using to really supplement that and aid me in that is Ritual's Sleep Vitamin. You'll know I've been using their women's like daily vitamins and even their pre and probiotics, but I recently adopted their melatonin supplement and I'm really loving it. I've used melatonin in the past. And I find that it still takes me a long time to go to sleep and I wake up feeling groggy, but I'm not feeling that with Rituals. And I'm super happy they partnered with me on today's video, so thank you to Ritual. And they're offering 25% off if you want to try it. And Ritual always, in the first 30 days, if you don't absolutely love it, you can get your money back, which I love that, having peace of mind, able to try something and you're not out the money if it ends up not being for you. But some of the coolest technology, it's actually like the world's first ever BioSeries technology. So within each capsule, there's 3 little tablets and they are released at different times throughout the night. So there's one tablet that's going to be immediate release, And then that obviously is going to help you fall asleep. The second one is an extended release that's like 3 milligrams. I think the first one's 1 milligram. The second one's 3 milligrams, extended release. That just helps me stay asleep through the night so I don't have to wake up so often. I'm definitely someone that kind of tosses and turns usually, and that's really helped me stay asleep. And then the last one is also an extended release, but it's just a 1 milligram, and that keeps you from waking up groggy. It really keeps you waking up refreshed and feeling good in the morning. And honestly, in a weight loss journey, getting in sleep is key. I mean, any Google search will tell you that. Water, movement, calorie deficit, and sleep is so important in a weight loss journey. And I really think adopting this like nighttime routine where I do my skincare, you just saw me put on my tretinoin. I'm still using that. Probably will be using that forever. This is just a CeraVe moisturizer that I got. I just put it in this little container from Amazon. When you press down, it like comes out of the top. Super cute. And then this is just a vitamin E oil, and I put that on my face. I do this every single night. I feel like I go to bed like a glazed donut, and I follow that up with the Ritual melatonin, and it just gives me such a good night's sleep. I fall asleep glazed donut princess vibes. So good. I wake up feeling really good, which then helps me make sure I'm waking up in time to have my greens while I get ready, make my breakfast before I leave, make sure my lunch is all packed and ready to go. Keeps me refreshed doing those 4:30 p.m. workouts because I've been working out after work, and it's honestly going really, really well. Been doing that since about January, the after work workouts, and I'm a huge fan. So if you want to give Ritual a try, like I said, I use their daily women's vitamin as well. There's lots of stuff. Just check out their website. I'll link it for you down below. You can use my code LouiseLane25 to get 25% off your first order. And if you don't love it within 30 days, you can still get your money back in that 30-day window. So definitely worth a try. I love things that you can try and you don't have to worry too much about being out, because we're all trying to budget, especially with that upcoming wedding over here. I feel like all of my extra money is going towards wedding things, and I think I'm gonna do a wedding video soon, so let me know if y'all are interested in like what I'm doing. I finally placed some orders, so I have things to like tangibly show you, and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm about to hit the hay, and I'll see you in the morning for a full day of eating plus my workout. Good morning, baby. Good to see you. Good morning, y'all. My Nespresso has decided to stop working. It gave me the blink that it needs to be cleaned, but usually you can surpass that, but also I literally just cleaned it. Like, I have not even gotten through my latest order of pods since I cleaned it. What am I looking for? So I don't freaking know what's going on with it. It just keeps starting and stopping. Highly annoying, but have breakfast. This has been my go-to lately. 2 Kodiak waffles. I do a little spray butter, which I know is not everybody's thing, but I like it. And then I just put the sausage in the middle, and it's super easy to take on the road. I just eat it like a sandwich. Works out fabulous. There's 12 grams of protein from the waffles, and then about 6 grams from the sausage. So we've got 18 grams of protein there, and we actually have like a 40-gram protein lunch today, so that kind of helps even it out. Okay, Morgan's on a work call, but packing the lunchbox. I forgot the little fork, but I just have my taco salad. I'll show that to you later. Bringing a protein drink. I don't know if I'm gonna drink it, but I'm bringing it.
carbonated water. I'll have that with lunch, and trying to drink half a gallon of water. I did pretty good yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. Got my gym bag. I'm gonna grab my breakfast and we're ready to go. I always forget to film my lunch when I'm at the office, but this is it, obviously minus the ranch. This was for my Instagram story another day this week, but I had the same thing all week and it was delicious. All right, y'all, we made it to the workout, or to the gym. It's after work. It's been a day. It's been a doozy of a day, but we made it. I am debating hitting legs, but I kind of want to hit arms. So I'm gonna stretch and think about it a minute, and we'll go from there. But yeah, we're gonna think about it. Let me show you my workout fit real quick. Okay, workout fit, top, Amazon. Love this one. I have this in literally every single color. I'm obsessed. Leggings, also from Amazon. Love these. They're really good for leg day. Super, super soft. I like the color, kind of a reddish pink. And then I'm just wearing my Nike Metcon 4s. Really like these. I got mine on Amazon after I did some research from the gym girlies of what to wear like when you're lifting and strength training. These are a favorite, so I did get these, and I love them. Haven't had any issues. So these are what I like to wear when I work out, and then when I walk, I like to wear Hoka's. They're just like soft, buttery clouds. So that is the workout fit. Let's get going. Okay, I don't know why I have my sunglasses on. Okay, just finished the workout. My camera's about to die. I don't think I got the last movement, but I did the hip abduction where you push out and then also where you push in. Did the leg press, some calf raises, and some single leg press. And we are ready to go home and get some dinner going. So I'll see you there. All right, for dinner, I'm making these squiggly noodles from Trader Joe's. They just come in a little package that you boil, and then it has a soy sauce like packet. And with that, I added these Costco steak bites. I love these, 20 grams of protein, already fully cooked, super delicious. Okay, I got tired of staying in that bowl, so I'm just gonna add a little soy sauce and some chili onion crunch. Okay, looking at the full day, we've got breakfast at 350 calories. I have the greens in there, but my coffee maker is broken, so we didn't have any coffee. We've got almost 19 grams of protein there. Moving on to lunch, a little over 400 calories, and this actually came out to pretty much 45 grams of protein. Love that, super delicious and filling lunch. For dinner, I had the squiggly noodles with the steak. Love this one, 32.5 protein, super delicious. And I did have the protein shake when I was at the office. Again, I forgot to show it. I'm so sorry, but that's 42 grams of protein in the protein shake, kept me super full all afternoon. And yeah, the full day, we have 137.9 grams of protein.